Welcome back to the channel. Today we focus on workspace flow. Let's optimize your desk setup to boost your daily productivity. Check the links below to get started. Welcome to AI Pulse, where technology is made simple.
In this tutorial, you'll learn how to verify your YouTube account. This unlocks features like custom thumbnails and longer video uploads.
This account verification is quick and helps unlock additional creator features. It's different from the public verification badge you may see on some channels.
Select your country, then choose how you'd like to receive your verification code, either by text message or an automated phone call.
If you choose a phone call, enter your number carefully and keep your phone nearby. The automated verification call usually arrives within a few moments.
Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. Then click Submit to verify your account. Once your code is accepted, YouTube enables additional creator features for your account. If you prefer, you can receive the verification code through a text message instead of a phone call. Simply enter the code from the text message and submit it to complete the verification process. When you return to the Status and Features page, you'll see that your YouTube account has been successfully verified.
Thanks for watching AI Pulse. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video. See you in the next one.